Hello everyone, this is MaoT World, coming at you, say no more. People, today we have a nice piece of lamb and we begin to seal this and now it's cooked with the rosemary and garlic. Simply as that. I will see the cuts of lamb, nice beautiful lamb. People, say no more. And we will seal this little bad boy now. Always. Here you go, people. Nice. Sealed. Obviously later go in the oven with nice rosemary and the garlic, people. Obviously salt and pepper. Say no more. There you go. Here you go, people. Nice sealed lamb. A little pepper. A little salt. Roughly chopped garlic, people. I'm busy now. That people, garlic, little rosemary, not so much because rosemary is so potent with flavor. You don't want to over flavor it. Touch of oil. Voila, ready to go. There you go, people. Beautiful lamb coming natural. That I say, first seal, later flush in the oven. People, perfectly 59 degrees. Say no more. Nice pink inside. Now be little rest. And here you go. Lamb coming at you. Say no more. So people, hopefully you enjoyed this little video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace, homies!